It all begins with 3 must-see movies. Napoleon, The Origin of the World, The Terror of Tim Bartum, and Your Terror. This is his introduction. In this epic film filled with romance and conquests, from nearly being in poverty and rejection on a small Italian island to becoming one of the most powerful leaders in the world, Napoleon fought in wars, conquered nations, and faced his greatest challenge, winning the love of his wife who finds pleasure in infidelity. I want to tell you, Napoleon, are you okay? Don't worry, I won't judge. What happened? Where I most enjoy is recommending the places where the movies were filmed. And as you already know, the Day of the Dead is a Mexican tradition. It is said around the neighborhood that here, and only here, the souls of the deceased come back to Earth every 12 hours. I wonder what will happen if you're Mexican and you don't say the word way. Or if you're Peruvian and you don't say the word pay. Will we explode from indigestion? Like a gas that goes to the wrong place out of nowhere, and boom, we explode.
This channel is not liable for accidental loss of life in those locations or for any additions you may make in those locations. Welcome to this damn channel.
In this film, we will explore the relationship between Napoleon and Josephine. A highly toxic relationship from which much can be learned. Viewed through the lens of self-improvement, it is a love story wrapped in betrayal and ambition. As Napoleon ascended to power, his quest to conquer the world was not only motivated by the pursuit of power, but also by the desire to win the love of his wife. Despite her disrespecting him in every sense with people who later became his enemies, however, when his attempts failed, an internal battle was unleashed, leading him to self-destructs, almost to mental illnesses like schizophrenia. Follow Napoleon's steps from his involvement in the French Revolution to his numerous military victories in Europe. Although his empire seemed invincible, the final defeat came in the famous Battle of Waterloo. Exiled on a remote island in the Atlantic Ocean, Napoleon faced his ultimate destiny, far from power and glory. In addition to Napoleon's fascinating story, his tumultuous relationship with Josephine will also be explored. Despite the love he felt for her, the lack of children for Napoleon led to the deterioration of their marriage and eventual divorce. As can be seen, this marriage consumed him to the point of eating his mind, as he saw it in such an obsessive and emotionally dependent way. However, Napoleon found hope in the arms of Archduchess Marie-Louise of Austria, who gave him the long-awaited heir. Get ready to immerse yourself in a film full of drama, passion, and epic moments. Accompany Napoleon in his rise to power, his struggle for love, and his quest for greatness. Don't miss this captivating story that will keep you on the edge of your seat. As seen in the synopsis, I empathize with him and what happened in his marriage. For me, it would have been better if they had focused on the wars he created and the empires he overthrew. This man is truly a genius. I don't support what he did for the most part, but it's admirable how he almost broke the world with each step he took towards achieving his objectives, his victories. These are some jokes that only the YouTube algorithm will understand. Critiques, trailers, analysis, theories, rankings, Easter eggs, behind the scenes, laughing face, crying with laughter. The reviews have been overwhelmingly positive, and the cinema audience is eagerly awaiting updates on a potential sequel. I'm glad you had a good time. I wish you continue to enjoy these incredible review experiences. See you.